Dear friends, today I have come with new video, that is highway engineering, geometric design of highways part 1. This is quite useful for all the students who are busy in preparation of UPSC, IS, engineering services, Indian engineering services, GATE and other state civil services. I think you will get very much benefit from this video. Let us start. What is geometric design of highways? It is that phase of highway design which deals with visible dimensions of a roadway. It is design of those road elements with which the highway user is directly connected. The geometric design of highways deals with the dimensions and layout of visual features of the highway. The emphasis of the geometric design is to address the requirement of the driver and the vehicle such as safety, comfort and efficiency. Second question, what are three important factors controlling the design features? First, speed, second, safety, and third, comfort are three important factors controlling the design features. Next question is, what are elements of geometric design? Highway is a main center point of any civilization, as you know. From ancient time, all the civilization are established near highways, beside the highway, both ends of the highway, both sides of the highway, as you know. So highway is very important for any country, for its development, economic development, and all types of development. And in civil engineering, highway engineering has much important place. So you must listen this video and take benefit. Third question is, what are elements of geometric design? Dimension and weights of road vehicles, terrain classification and design speed, design of the road cross section, super elevation, curves, horizontal, circular and transition curves, side distances, gradients, curves, vertical, summit and valley curves, alignment, horizontal, vertical and lateral and vertical clearances and underpasses. The dimension and weights influence the road design to a great extent. So the vehicle characteristics affecting the road design. Fourth question is, the width affects on road design. How? How the width affects the road design? The width of a vehicle affects the width of traffic lanes, the width of shoulder and parking space. Next question, the height of a vehicle affects the road design. How? How it is possible? The height of the vehicle affects the road design. The height of vehicle affects the lanes to be provided structures such as under bridges, vertical service lines and to overhanging branches of road side trees. Next question is, how the overall length including trailer and semi-trailer combination affects the road design. It affects design of bridges where length of vehicles is a factor in the application of load, design of horizontal curves regarding passing and overtaking side distances. Next question is, the vehicle loads. Vehicle loads affect the road design. How? Vehicle loads affect design of bridges, design of pavement thickness and design of rolling gradients. Next question, vehicle speeds affect the road design. How? Vehicle speeds affect super elevation in curves, limiting radius, side distances, width of pavement in straights and curves, width of shoulder, grades, adequate provision of the guard rails, increased protection or rail crossing, special treatment of intersections and capacity of a lane for traffic. These are all the elements which I am describing here. I will discuss about these all the elements and topics in next coming video. So keep patience yourself and go listen this video, and also wait for coming video, including I will include all the elements here I am describing. Next question: what are maximum dimensions of road vehicles recommended by the Indian Road Congress? Width maximum dimension 2.5 meter. Height single decked vehicle 3.8 to 4.2 meter. Height double decked vehicle 4.75 meter. Length single unit with 2 axles 11 meter. Length single unit with more than 2 axles 12 meter. Length tractor semi trailer combination 16 meter. Length tractor and trailer combination 18 meter. These are the dimensions provided by IRC, Indian Road Congress. No combination shall consist of more than 2 units, and no such combination laden and unladen shall have an overall length exceeding 18 meters. Next question: how the weight of a vehicle is usually expressed? The weight of a vehicle is usually expressed in terms of its axle load, which is the total load transmitted to the road by all the which centers are included between two parallel vertical planes 1 meter apart and transverse to the longitudinal axis of the vehicle. No single axle load, as suggested by IRC, should exceed 102 kN or 10.2 tons, and for the tandem axles 180 kN or 18 tons. The gross load of any vehicle is or combination or vehicle should not exceed the weight worked out by the following formula: W is equal to 1525 bracket L plus 7.3 bracket close minus 14.7 L square, where W is the gross weight of the vehicle in kg, L the distance in meter between the extreme axles measured parallel to the axis of the vehicle. This relation holds good only when L is greater than 2.5 meter. When its value is less than 2.5 meter, the gross weight should not exceed 14,515 kg. Next question is how the terrain is classified. Terrain is classified by the general slope of the country across the highway alignment. The criteria for terrain classification recommended by the Indian Road Congress is given below. Terrain classification: number 1, plain 0 to 10%, more than 1 by 10. Second, rolling 10 to 25%, 1 in 10 to 1 in 4. Third, mountainous 25 to 60%, 1 by 4 to 1 in 1.67. Steep greater than 60% and less than 1 in 1.67. Next question is what is design speed? It will not be economical to design all roads for very high speeds. At very high speeds, roads cannot be designed. It will not economical. So a road has therefore to be designed for a specific speed known as design speed. The design speed is defined as the maximum approximately uniform speed that will be adopted by the most of the drivers. It is a basic parameter which determines all the other geometric design features. Choice of design speed depends on the function of the road and the terrain conditions. Next question: what is carriageway or pavement width? What are the pavement widths and or carriageway? The paved portion of the highway or the road over which the traffic is meant to move is called the pavement or the carriageway. The pavement width is dependent on the width of the traffic lanes and the number of lanes planned for construction. Next question is the factors on which pavement width depends. Pavement width depends upon several factors. The most important are design traffic lane capacity, maximum overall width of vehicles using the road, clearance between the edge of the road and the body of the vehicle, and between two vehicles or transverse placement of vehicles. What is design traffic? The design traffic is considered in terms of the cumulative number of standard axles in the lane carrying maximum traffic during the design lap of the road. Next question: on what factors design traffic depends? Design traffic depends upon the rate of growth of traffic, the design period, importance of road in the system, nature of roadside development, etc. Next question: what is passenger car units? It is a vehicle unit used for expressing highway capacity. One car is considered as a single unit. Cycle motorcycle is considered as a half car unit. Bus truck causes a lot of inconvenience because of its large size and is considered equivalent to three cars or three PCU. Under mixed traffic conditions, the different types of vehicles need to be converted to a common unit known as passenger car units. Next question: what is the traffic lane capacity? The number of lanes to be provided depends upon the traffic lane capacity. This capacity will be maximum under ideal traffic condition and is termed as basic capacity. Basic capacity of a traffic lane is a maximum number of vehicles which pass a definite point on the lane during 1 hour under the most ideal roadway and traffic conditions that can possibly be achieved. Next question is the actual capacity of a traffic lane is less than the basic capacity? Yes, it has happened due to various interferences. What are the factors that reduce capacity? Mixed traffic, delays at the intersection, slipperiness of the road surface, imperfect alignment, effect of grades, insufficient land width and edge clearances. Next question is what is possible capacity? This is a maximum number of vehicles which pass a definite point on a lane during 1 hour under the prevailing road conditions. Next question is what is practical capacity? This is the maximum number of vehicles which pass a definite point on a lane during 1 hour without causing any unreasonable delay, hazard, or restriction to the drivers overtaking under prevailing roadway and traffic conditions. Next question? What is the width of roadway? A roadway consists of carriageway plus shoulders on either side or bottom width of the cutting. Next question: what are shoulders? It is that portion of the roadway which lies between the outer edge of the carriageway and inner edge of the ditch, gutter, curb or slope. Shoulders serve as a place for parking. In case shoulders are not provided or their width is small, roadway capacity is reduced and chances of accidents are increased. They also help in overtaking maneuvers on a one-lane road. Next question is what is the median strips for divided highways? Answer is a road on which traffic in one direction or travel is separated from that in the opposite direction is called a divided highway, and the divided strip in the middle of the roadway is known as median strip. Positive segregation of traffic between opposing strips is essential for efficient and safe movement of vehicles in the two directions. Median strips are required on very busy roads which have 4 or more lanes, especially in crowded cities Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. If these strips are narrow, separation is provided by raised curbs and where greater space is available, curbs may or may not be used. Median strips from 3 to 9 widths are recommended. If the land is expensive, then narrow median strips may be provided. Medians are narrowed at great separation to effect reduction in the length or width of the structures. Dear friends, I hope you have clear concept regarding all the 25 questions. If you have any problem, please comment in comment box. I will try to remove your clear or your doubts. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video and press bell icon button so that my all video will reach you first time, and comment in my comment box on which topic you desire which video. I will try to prepare that video. Thank you.